Today we're practicing eye acupoint massage. Now these are eye acupressure points and acupuncture points around the eyes. We're going to use our finger pads of our index fingers or the middle fingers, whichever one you prefer. That's a traditional way of doing it. And we're going to take the pad of the finger and we're going to place it on a point loosely, and we're going to circle. And then we're going to move on to another point. Now these points are acupuncture points, eye acupoints, acupressure points. This also is a gentle lymphatic system massage in places. Nerve bundles that come close to the skin. They're around the eyes, different parts of the face, and even in the back of the head. This is very traditional, very old. We start off with warming up our hands, rubbing our palms briskly, generating heat. And we can do a dry wash of the face. We can rub the ears, but now we're focused on the eye acupoints. And we start off not in the eye, but the inner corner of the eye. Rotating. Inner corner of the eyebrow. And then we swipe from the inner corner of the eyebrow across the eyebrow to the outer edge or outer corner of the eyebrow. Do that a few times. Feel for the divot right above the pupil. Stop there, circle. Then on the outer corner of the eyebrow, circle. Outer corner of the eye. And swipe underneath the eye. Circle underneath the pupil. And we come back full circle, inner corner of the eye. We move to the top of the nose at the ridge and swipe down both sides from the top to bottom, and then the base of the nose. There's 2 points at the base of the nose, 2 points behind the ear. Palms on the temples. And then we're going to cover the ears, creating a vacuum, and drum on the base of the head. Using self-applied massage to reintegrate ourselves into our daily life is a good way to end our practice. Thank you for joining me.